Arai Angor nwalom tos kotom notemo kalwe gita ai moro kedingarno ko waitin lude wanyata tikes ebe epedorete aite jokar ekechi jautene. Nadara pijino naka polon kotom na numunum naka paran kech jen awichi ngesabu kilip Angor kera nyunda ebe etingunete pelon kera lwe gita lwe jatar kesi keda gogong tete keny epedorete aite jokar ekechi jautene erianda kerida Ikiliok.
Women of today, don't look down on yourself. Be somebody who is focused. Whatever you're doing, concentrate in it. Don't leave the jobs that people think are hard, like medical doctors, the drivers, the engineers, they are what. Don't think they're very hard for you. What a man can do, a woman can do. So be focused, concentrate on innovation, and then you'll see that things are moving the way you want.
Kusodi nera polon echolog na ke council lo Angor kotom no district lo kukabere maido Barbara Adongo ngesda buke lipangor kanuka nyunda ebe etinguneti programs lo kapugan kere kojo kan tetekeny epirte ayaun apol kotom nada oriria ike.
Among the problems that women are facing is one is the issue of like empowering them or empowering the households. Well, like when we talk of the PDM projects that are coming for the women, we give an example with the UEP. UEP is there, but also we find that there are some women who are unable to do business, but already they are in the groups, they are existing in the group. And then the other one is on the issue of PDM. The PDM is there, but also we have found that in other parishes, our women or the women councils are not included in the program.
But as women, I advise my fellow women to embrace these programs the government has given us opportunity to have.
Kusodi ne rider OC station kotomono Kaberemedo Central Police Station Rita Nantaba ngesabu elipitunga kere kanuka nyunda ebe itijio arokisho kere no minas aibil apedrisho nukada Angor.
The early school dropouts, child marriages, new defilements, sexual harassment, and rape. To appeal to everyone to help out in the prevention of such cases. If you see a young girl, our daughters, even if she's not your daughter, but she's going through something hard, please help her.
Karaida jas aina peta ko welo kada Angor aite dana Ikususine aiwo ketede ineresine lwegiti gita konye lederai ara district kotomno district loko Kabere maido Haji Ramadhan Walukembe ngisabu kilip daibe kotomna parasha cheno etupan kinete ibusa kint Angor aitodun iswa maita kes keren wegiti gita nwiterste kesi kanukada ayan ajulan kineta nukajokan kotomno kali yake.
Next time what I want to see here, we want next time to show me what you have done.
Nadera atemele nakada kumam nesta ajai kotomona apara nakada inumunum apara nakada Angor. Michael Nyinge TV East ko Kabere maido district.